Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the new Honor X9D, a phone that's rewriting the rules on what a smartphone can endure. Is it just a tough phone, or is it the ultimate upgrade you've been waiting for? Let's find out. Honor is calling this phone the indestructible king, and they're not kidding. It's the world's first smartphone to receive the SGS triple resistance certification. What does that mean in the real world? It means it's built to survive pretty much anything you can throw at it. We've seen videos of this thing taking on nail guns and even plasma cannons. While I don't recommend trying that at home, it shows the insane level of engineering that went into this device. The durability is seriously next level. But it's not just about surviving extreme stunts. For everyday life, the Honor X9D is IP69K rated. That's the highest level of protection you can get. It's completely dustproof and can withstand high-pressure, high-temperature water jets. You could accidentally drop it in a puddle, get caught in a downpour, or even take it to a dusty construction site without a single worry. Honor is so confident that they're offering a 1-year crack protection and liquid damage warranty, completely free. That's peace of mind you just don't get with other phones. Now, you might think a phone this tough has to be a clunky, heavy brick, right? Wrong. The Honor X9D is surprisingly sleek and lightweight. It features a gorgeous 6.79-inch flat OLED display that's an absolute joy to look at. With a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate and support for over 1 billion colors, everything from scrolling through social media to watching movies looks incredible. And get this, it has a peak brightness of 6,000 nits. That means you can see your screen perfectly, even under the brightest direct sunlight. Plus, it's packed with eye comfort features to reduce strain during those late-night browsing sessions. Under the hood, the X9D is powered by the new Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, paired with up to 512 GB of storage. It runs on the latest MagicOS 9.0, which is based on Android 15. This new OS is packed with clever AI features that make your life easier. Imagine having real-time AI call translation when you're talking to someone who speaks a different language, or AI notes that can summarize your meetings for you. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your phone. For all you photographers out there, the 108-megapixel main camera is a game-changer. It comes with both optical and electronic image stabilization, so your photos and videos will be sharp, clear, and free of any shaky hand blur. Whether you're capturing a beautiful landscape or a fast-moving subject, your shots will look professional. And the AI editing tools make it effortless to remove unwanted objects or touch up your photos with just a few taps. But here's the feature that truly blows my mind: the battery. The Honor X9D packs a colossal 8300 mAh battery. That is the largest battery in any smartphone on the market right now. Honor claims it can last up to 3 full days on a single charge. And if that wasn't enough, it also supports reverse charging, so you can use your phone as a power bank to juice up your friend's device. When you do finally need to plug in, the 66-watt SuperCharge gets you back to full power in no time. So you get unparalleled durability, a stunning display, flagship-level performance, and an absolutely massive battery. What's the catch? The price, right? The Honor X9D is more than just a phone. It's a statement. It's built for real life, for adventures, and for anyone who's tired of fragile, delicate devices. So, what do you guys think? Is this the ultimate durable phone? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns, just like this one. See you in the next one.